Presenting the 2009 Land Rover Range Rover Sport. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for, with a powerful 8-cylinder engine. The powertrain includes 4-wheel drive, connected to a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission. Reach your destination effortlessly with GPS navigation. A premium sound system is just one of the benefits of owning this vehicle. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. Indulge in the comfort of heated seats. Enjoy the flexibility of multi-zone temperature controls. The sunroof lets fresh air in. Pamper yourself with memory settings. Call today to schedule a test drive.